Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a run test on a 21-inch single stage EGO snow blower. Okay, this takes two batteries. I'm only going to put one battery in it for the test. I have a fully charged 7 amp hour battery. I'm sorry, 7.5 amp hour battery. You can probably see that there, I hope. Now, this is fully charged. I just want to see what the run time is under no load. So I'm going to set this up and get it going. Now that will take, this will actually take two 7.5 amp hour batteries. I only have one in there, but I'm just kind of curious how long it will run for. So I'm going to use a clamp to clamp the handle and then check on it a little later. It does have a handle to adjust this when I'm using it in the winter. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so now you've seen the entire run of the snowblower from startup to when it died out. And let's face it, at the end there, I'm going to say probably the last 10 minutes of it, the motor was winding down because the battery was dipping down. And I think probably it would be very ineffective at that point, the way that arm was turning. I don't think it would throw any snow. And the weight of anything that it was up against would just kill it and stop it long before that. So what we ended up with from the start to the very end when it died, and when it died, it was going very slow, and then it sped up really fast and stopped. So I don't know really what was going on there with it. But again, it was 53 minutes and a half, 53.5 minutes exactly. That was all the runtime on a single battery, 7.5 amp hour battery. It can take two 7.5 amp hour batteries. I have multiple batteries. I have 3 2.5s. I've got a 5. I've got a 4.5. I've got a 7.5. So I've got probably enough batteries to do my driveway with when the time comes. If I have to this winter, I wanted to really try this and see how it went. And that is the answer to our question, right? 53.5 minutes on one single 7.5 amp hour battery on this EGO snowblower. So that's the data. That's no load. That's just sitting and spinning. And if I had two 7.5 amp hour batteries in there, I'm only going to assume it's going to run almost twice as long. And that's the answer. And I hope you enjoyed the video and come back and check out some more content. Take care.